Hello, I hope you are well. Welcome to my new subscribers. In this video I will continue in the series water drop effect, but that will not be drops. Last time you could see that I made little hearts with little dots. Today I'm going to try something else. So I have this silicone brush. You can find them on Amazon. There are brushes for doing hair dye, well, that kind of thing. So I have this brush, I have my resin, I have my lamp, and I have my little stillet and my coaster mold. So let's get started. I'm going to start by putting a few drops on the bottom of my coaster. I hope I get the spacing right. If not, I'll wipe it off and start over. It doesn't work great. Even if I gently brush through it, no, not what I want. I haven't put on my mask. I'm going to put it because the smell bothers me a lot. So I put on my mask and opened my window. I can't stand the smell of this UV resin at all. They have different smells, and this one I can't stand. And anyway, it's safer to put a mask. Well, come on. I want to make some kind of waves. So let's see if with this tool it's better. No, it doesn't work. So come on, let's wipe everything and start again. I think it's better if I do it directly with the resin bottle. Okay, I put under my lamp for a minute for drying. So here it is hardened. I check with my tool if everything is hard, and now I'm going to colorize it. I want to get a light blue. So for that I'm going to mix two mica powders. I have this blue, which is clear blue. It's a chameleon blue. And I'm going to mix this blue with a white. It's mother of pearl powder from Daily Art. Obviously I'm getting it all over the place as usual. So I'll mix it and we'll see what it looks like. Here is the result. I hope it will come out well with the darker resin I'll pour. So I'm going to prepare my resin. Here it is, my resin is ready. I'm going to add this mica powder, Carat Aquamarin from Mrs Colorberry. Oof! It's flying everywhere. You can see that you really have to put a mask on because this powder is not healthy for your lungs. Especially since I'm really not good at opening the containers without spreading it everywhere. It's like with the caps. And I'm also going to add a teaspoon of Carat blue, which is a pretty dark color. Mix it thoroughly and pour into my mold. This color is really great. So, with a small pick I remove some small pieces of undissolved powder. I did not mix carefully enough. A little more lighter, then I'll be looking for air bubbles with my silicone brush, and I'll finish with a spray of alcohol. So then, of course, no more flame. And then I let it to harden. So let's see if I have my little waves as I want them. My mold is starting to be used. It's taking a bit. Yes. Okay. Yes. It made some nice waves. So you can put any color over the UV resin as long as it's a dark color for the water drop effect. You can also try to do some nice shading with the mica powders and the UV resin. I need to try that too. Maybe with this wave system. I'll try to do some sort of gradient more pronounced than this one. And I also need to seriously improve my wave drawing. Oh, anyway, it's fun to do, and the possibilities are almost endless. Yes. So I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget the little thumbs up to subscribe if you haven't already done. It will help my channel a lot. See you soon for new experiences. Take care of yourself. Bye.